It's been a sunny day for most of South Africa, but with a band of fog still lingering along the west coast, and we've seen a band of high cloud over the extreme western part of the country. Our satellite also shows a band of cloud in the Atlantic, and that represents a cold front heading towards South Africa's borders, but it'll only move in on Wednesday night. For tonight, though, we can expect clear and cool conditions over the interior, with a warm night in store, mainly along the eastern Cape coastline. Windy conditions are expected over the interior all the way through to Wednesday, and berg winds heat things up over the southern and southeastern parts. We're expecting another sunny and warm day for the majority of the country, with some cloud expected in the west, and that's ahead of a cold front which moves in on Wednesday night, bringing in the possibility of evening rainfall with it. For Tuesday night, though, we're still expecting dry weather across South Africa with no rainfall in the forecast. You'll see northwesterly winds along the west coast with windy conditions over the interior parts of the Cape provinces, and berg winds result in a warm night along the eastern Cape coastline, with berg winds also allowing for a sizzling hot day over the southern and southeastern part of South Africa on Wednesday. We're expecting fresh winds over the northeastern parts. You'll see a minimum temperature of 16 degrees for Durban with a clear night in store and a northeasterly wind of up to 30 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow we're forecasting sunny and warm weather for Durban with a maximum temperature of 27 degrees. Quite windy though, with a strong northeasterly wind in the afternoon. Overnight we're expecting cool conditions for Bloemfontein and Johannesburg at 8 degrees, 10 for Kimberley and Pretoria, 16 for Durban and George, 17 degrees as we head towards Port Elizabeth and Richards Bay, and around 20 for Bishu and East London. 12 degrees for Cape Town and R, with Sutherland dropping to 3 degrees overnight. Here's that sizzling hot weather over the southern and southeastern parts, with highs well into the 30s. 34 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, 32 as we head towards Richards Bay, but cool for Cape Town ahead of that cold front at 19 degrees. 27 degrees for Johannesburg and Polokwane, with Pretoria and Bombela at around 30. Our extended forecast takes us into Thursday, where you'll see that sunny and warm weather continuing over the central and northeastern parts, but with the cold front bringing in rainfall and cooler weather over the southern part of South Africa, with drizzle extending all the way through to Springbok. And on Friday, we're still expecting rainfall along the coast between George and East London, mostly sunny for Cape Town at 21, and fine and warm weather in the northeast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.